Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a day in my life when I was in Kilifi. So on this particular day, I had a lot to do. It was on Friday and we had a burial on Saturday. So I had a lot. I was to go to the salon. I had to find a hair extension. I wanted to buy a pair of shoes. I also wanted to go to Fundi. Yeah. So come along with me. So this was the uniform for the funeral. They're just normal daras, but ours were designed. I'm going to show you the design after this clip. So I left the daras with the fundi while I went to Charawamai to a certain cosmetic. I wanted a hair extension.
Kinky long. Oh. Huh? Oh.
I didn't find the exact that I wanted, so I didn't buy any. I only got this cute pair of earrings and they are going for 100. Then there I am going to the salon. I had an appointment. Yeah. And this is me after my hair was washed, treated and styled. And that was the style. Then I got a pair of shoes. If you know me, you know I love Swahili shoes or leather shoes. This kind of sandals a lot. So I got a pair. And I was confused because they were both cute. And then I was so hungry, you guys. I went to a Kibandaski to eat.
Unauza umekula nini? Bana mpe change yake kwenda umekula nini? Leo jana hiyo. Unakumbwa shilingi 10 wewe.
Bwana maswali wewe yani. Alafu mmelala la tushindo hapo hadi.
Inga. 60. Babu gani? Na huko pia. Haya ni zote. Hii ndio 40 ishinda. Na hii sehemu na paja. Hii.
Hamna kununua.
Hii. Fungi. Nafasi ndogo hata. Nafasi ilipute na kukaa. Okay.
I ordered some ugali, some sukuma wiki, and deep fried chicken piece, because there were pieces. I only took one, and the ugali was 30 bob. The piece of chicken was 60, and the sukuma was 10 bob. So I used the 100 bob. And there I was going back to the fundi to collect the derras.
Nilikuwa sijapiga. Unajua kula nako kumejaa. Bado nafikiri amepiga.
And that was it, guys. That's me going back to Boda Tuk to Tezo.